A nice hike to falls. Large, beautiful, cold falls. I was able to swim in it. Our guide Hiro was wonderful, very attentive with great information. Our driver Robinson was a great driver. Both were enjoyable to spend time with. Discover the breathtaking Cascada El Limón on a guided walking tour through the lush mountains of the Samaná Peninsula in the Dominican Republic. Begin your adventure with included transportation from Samaná to Rancho Limón, then trek scenic jungle trails on foot to reach the towering 50-meter waterfall and its crystal-clear pool. Enjoy swimming, relaxing, or capturing stunning photos in this tranquil natural setting, with the perfect mix of adventure and relaxation. The tour starts with transport from Samaná to Rancho Limón, serving as the gateway to your trek. Walk through vibrant tropical trails, surrounded by the sounds and sights of the jungle. Upon arrival at Cascada El Limón, you can swim in the refreshing pool or simply unwind by the waterfall. The excursion includes convenient transportation, ensuring a seamless experience from start to finish.